This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus bonnet lock. First, gather all the necessary tools like screwdrivers and your new lock assembly. Make sure your car is parked safely with the engine off and locate the bonnet release inside the cabin. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort later on. Now, let's get to the lock itself. You'll need to carefully remove the front grille to gain access. Look for any screws or clips holding it in place and unscrew them. If there are any electrical connectors, gently disconnect those too. Taking your time here prevents damage to the grille or surrounding components. With the old lock exposed, it's time to remove it. Disconnect any cables or linkages, then unbolt it from its mounting points. Now, take your new bonnet lock and securely attach it in the same position. Reconnect all the cables and linkages, ensuring everything moves freely and is properly aligned for smooth operation. Before you put everything back together, it's crucial to test the new lock. Open and close the bonnet several times to ensure it latches securely and releases smoothly. Once you're satisfied, reattach the front grille and any other components you removed. Double-check all connections to complete the repair successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.